Hey, welcome. News from the house. Sunny day. It's about 14 degrees outside. Inside it's actually a little bit colder, so it's better to come outside. A few things we're going to talk about today. Today, on my artist easel here, I've got my handmade charcoal that I've been developing through biochar. If you have a look in here, you can see every grain, but it's also great for drawing. So this is just quick drawing sketch of Julie with glasses. Anyway, so beautiful charcoal for drawing, but also biochar for the garden. So that's something I make every time we have a fire, and we got like a whole, and it's beautiful because it keeps the whole kind of structure of the wood and the texture. It's almost, look at that, shiny and beautiful. And that's a byproduct of just having a fire every night. Next thing we're going to talk about today. Another video I had my greenhouse design. Is this a greenhouse, Rance? Are you crazy? You can only grow one radish in there. Get rid of it. Anyway, no, it's not a Zoolander trope here. This is not a greenhouse, Rance. This is a greenhouse that I'm going to build out this way. So if you follow me, Julie. Julie's my new volunteer, by the way.
Hello.
She came last year from to my city house to help, and now she's here at the countryside house. And here we have the foundations, or the starting place of where this greenhouse is going to sit, like this. Imagine this. Oh,
Connected charger.
it's at least 30% bigger than this one, something like that. So we're going to actually build it up high, about this high, coming out to about here. There's a fixed greenhouse, and then this down here will be a sloping one to catch the winter sun, which will be like a roll-up one with plastic. The next thing we're also doing is getting our revetment wall here. This is what we're going to be doing today. We'll do another update video. The soil from over here has come to here, and you might have to just walk around the corner, Judy, and we're actually going to build a revetment wall out of wood here, scavenged wood, and then we'll bring this soil back to make a raised bed, and then on the other side, so this will all be held in with rebar. Metal rebar posts that we'll hammer in, and then we'll staple the wood together, bring it back as a big raised bed garden about this high, so we can put in raspberry and blueberry and fig trees. And then the next thing we're going to do is, with the big rocks we're finding all around the property, over here, over here, over here, this face will be lined with a rock wall. So it will be wood this side and then rock on the other side, just to give it a different clarification. And this morning we're going to go and score a big pile of free wood that we negotiated with a guy yesterday, and we're going to tie as much on the car as we can today, and also score some firewood as well. So goodbye, the house.